Hi friends, this is Rajnikant, Excel Guru. Due to busy schedule, I am unable to upload a video about Excel. And now I already posted this previous one with condition format listing. Okay, in my previous video, that is test one, you can see this video. If you anybody wants, please let me know in the comment box so that I will send that link. Okay, and watch this video till end. Else, if you will not understand, okay, now what I have said, these are the author names. Okay, these are the author names which is available in the books. See, Guru is there somewhere, author ABC, here author DF is the author JKL, like this, author MNO, like this. Okay, randomly it was there in a text. So you have to find how many books are available in a library with the name of Guru author. Okay, Guru author. Let's try. Okay, first of all we have to search. Is equal to search Guru. Actually it is expecting a single text like this. Okay, it is expecting only single text, but I will give more than one, means it is an array part. Control shift down arrow, locking from all sides by pressing F4. Now I will press F9 to evaluate, and let's see is it there or not. If it is any number, means it is there. If it is value error, means it is not available in a array. See, 33 is there. In 33rd place it was there in this. Where is Guru? Author Guru. See, author Guru, it is in the author name in 33rd place. Okay, control Z. Now what I'll do, I'll make it is number. We are interested in numbers, not in errors. F9. If it is numbers, it will show us true, otherwise it will show us false. By pressing F9 function key, see, 33rd place has become a true. So we are interested in true but not in false. Okay, match true. Okay, I will show you two methods, guys. I will show you two methods. F9, so it will show the position where it occurs. I will show you two positions. This is first method. I will show you another method also. Index, we need this one. Control shift down arrow, F4, comma, this whole thing. Index need row number, either row number or column number or both. So index got a row number of 10. F9, 10. It's an array part, so you have to use control shift and enter. 6. Double click. Okay, see, Guru 46, here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay guys, and JKL 60, here you find JKL 60. It is an array part. Okay, it is an array part. Now I'll show you another method that's copying this one, only the lookup one. Lookup array, control C, escape, here F2 equal to control V, multiply by this, control C down arrow, F4. Actually I used to close the parenthesis over right. I remove this one, the black one. Now I'll add another black parenthesis, F9. See, here it is a true. Okay, now what happened? Why it is showing true here? Where is number? Wait a minute. Okay, so you have to close is number over here only. So we need still is number. Now I will show 46, sorry, value 46. Just wrap this into some product. That's it. It will show us. Control enter, double click. Right guys, there are two methods. Okay, Now another query which I asked is the month 1, 3rd and 5th birthday employees names over should be like this. Okay, over should be like this. See, okay, see here it is. Okay guys, now see what I will do, how I will do. First I will show you month of this. It will show you 8 because August is 8th month, right? So I double click, it will show all the related month numbers. July 7th month. So he asked the first month, means it's January, right? So what you will do, month of this, I lock column but not the row, equal to month of whole thing. It's an array part. F4. Okay, F4. F9. Wherever it finds the January, it will show us true and remaining are all falses. See, true. Here it is true. Remaining are all falses. Control G. Control Enter. Zoom little bit to understand to you better. Now, what we need employees names. Okay, index. Index is Control Shift down arrow F4, comma. Here we got this one. We need 1, 2, 3, 1 because it is having more than one employee on the same month birthday. Okay, so we converted into small if this is equal to this true, then take like this row. Control Shift down arrow F4. In my previous video, I explained you why I am using this type of array constraints. Column, the k value will be in column because we need in column y. Column $h3 colon h3. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis until we see black parenthesis which is started over here. Okay, Control Shift and Enter. Let's try our best. Num error, we will get off num error. What? It's showing the same thing. No. Wait a minute. Somewhere I think I did wrong. Wait a minute, guys. Here somewhere something wrong I did. The procedure is correct. Somewhere, yes, everything is right. Somewhere something wrong. The procedure is correct, but I don't know where it is. Wait a minute, guys. Index lock month. I don't know where it was, but the procedure is correct. The column simple. We need names. So names are in C range. Smallest month. Let me check. F9. Okay, F9, and we'll take this one row number also. Control G. Small array part F9. So it is showing all the correct, right? Control G, G$G. What happened? Row number F9, 16th month. But why it is showing this wrong answer? So let's try in another method, guys. F2. We will take here also rows. Let's check whether it is working perfectly or not. Instead of columns, we will take rows. Rows. I'll remove dollar from here and keep dollar from here. Control Shift down arrow. Control R. No, again wrong. F2. It has to come Control. See? Control G. No, again got wrong answer. See, again got wrong answer. Here somewhere something is wrong. $3 column COLUM as column index. Control Shift dollar because it has to move correctly. No, somewhere something went wrong. I don't know where it went wrong. The procedure is correct. Let me check. Okay guys, I will be back with this query again. Okay, the procedure is correct. I don't know where it went wrong. Months are showing right. The row, right. Everything is right. I don't know where it went wrong. Okay guys, I will be back with this solution for this query. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.